Alright, so we're looking at booklet 4 today, and this is information about ethics. And ethics are a key part of your research project, and it's really important that we understand exactly what we mean when we talk about ethics, because about 1/6 of your folio grade will be in part determined by how you use your ethics. So, to begin with, the easiest way to be an ethical researcher is to reference your sources so that you don't have any plagiarism. So, we've got 4 questions here for you to find the answers to. What must a bibliography include? How is a bibliography different to a reference list? What is a footnote and what is an in-text citation? Now, I'm more than happy for you to Google that information and see what you can find out. Of course, because we're being ethical, it would be appropriate at the end of anything you write that you've gotten from a resource to put the name of the site and the year that it was created, if you can find it, or accessed if you can't find the year of creation. These questions should be done in a sentence or two. Okay, so not a lot, just something to help you, explain the basics of ethics. All right. So the next task that you have to do is to then help a Year 10 student to reference their assignment. And you need to reference the sources provided to you, and these are on sector. And so I've just opened up the document that has different sources. Everyone's been assigned a different topic. So some of you are going to create a bibliography about pineapples. Some of you are going to create a bibliography about bushfires. Some of you are going to do underwater knitting. And some of you are going to do the research project. Okay, so those are the sources that you use to create your bibliography. Now, just looking at an example of a bibliography, we can see there's a few things that need to occur for this to be done correctly. First thing is that your sources must be in alphabetical order. Sometimes people separate the primary and secondary sources, but it's not actually necessary. What you'll see in this one is that we have interview in amongst all the secondary sources. No big deal. How you choose to access this is your call. You might want to use Cite This for me, which is an appropriate website. You might want to use the Harvard generator. You might also want to check out our Susan Sullivan library because it has a generator there as well. So how you choose to create this bibliography is up to you, but that's the first task for Module 1.